Yeah, explain your signature meal.
Alright, so you basically have 3 99-cent choices and a medium drink. Comes out to $4.99, right?
Yeah.
You have your chicken nuggets, the new Stack Attack, and your 2 dippings. You peel it, stick it, eat,
Get it?
By half cup?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Stick it.
Right.
And he sticks the wrappers to the chicken nuggets.
These are designated sauces for each. Anyway, you take the nugget, you dip, and you enjoy. Now what you do, you go nugget, burger, nugget, burger, a couple times. Then when you're left with 2, you'll see what happens.
Oh. We did that.
Very good.
Yep.
Oh,
recording.
yeah. That looks nice.
My bad, I'm gonna pick that up later.
No, no.
Dude, you are horrible. Nah, trust me, I got this.
You gotta stop moving so much. That looks pretty serious, man.
I don't know if I can get that. Alright, ready?
We're gonna try that again.
Yeah, we are.
Scratch.
I don't know.
Is there time at the bottom?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright.
You twist that sucker up.
I like it right there.
Oh, I can't. Wait, let me get it. We're good.
Oh, damn it.
I just stopped. Anyway, we good?
We are good.
We good. All right. Notice how you save the roundness of the batch for.
Kevin
Relax. Anyway,
just blessed Brandon with his onions.
now this is a little jewel of Wendy's. Not many people know about. You take it. You apply honey mustard to one side.
Yeah.
And you slap it. Slap it on there.
Slap it good. That's what she said.
Oh my god. Anyway, then you take the barbecue sauce. You apply. And there she is. Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's your bitch. Anyway. Now you take it. And it's best to put it in vertical. That's what she said. But if you can't, you can always. We're gonna do this, right?
Looks good.
It looks like painfully good. Like, it's so good it hurts. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good one.
That is
I love how your thing's still symmetrical. Even when you're finished. Yep. I saw that coming.
That looked really weird on camera.
I wish I could just buy onions.